This is number 43 from the College Algebra Final Exam Review. It asks us to graph the function and then find the domain and range. We have 3x minus y equals 0. So we know this is going to be a line because our degree, our highest exponent for both variables, are 1. So I need to try to put it into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So I can identify the y-intercept, which is a starting point, and then find my next point based on my slope. So I need to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So I'm left with negative 6y equals 0 minus 3x is just negative 3x. Last but not least, divide both sides by negative 6. So I'm left with y equals negative 3 divided by negative 6 is positive 1/2 x. They both have a negative 3 in common whenever I factor that out. I'm left with 1 on top and positive 2 on the bottom. So I now know that my slope is 1 over 2. So I'm going to go up 1 and I'm going to go over 2 in the positive direction, to the right. There's not a b here, but I know so it's adding nothing. It's adding 0. So my b value is 0. Remember, this is my y-intercept, which gives me the point 0, comma b. So that'll give me 0, comma 0, and that is my starting point. So I'm going to start at this 0, 0 based on my value of b, and then move up 1 over 2 based off my slope, and connect the dots, and that's it. Here's my graph. 0, 0 is my y-intercept. I'm going to go up 1. Rise 1, it's positive, so I'm going to go up. Run 2, so I'm going to go 2 in the positive direction, which is to the right. Connecting the dots. There is my line. So last but not least, it asked me to find the domain and range. So the domain of this function is the x values. So it's going infinitely forever to the left, so we have negative infinity. And then it's going infinitely forever to the right as well, so from negative infinity to positive infinity. My range is my y value, so from the bottom to the top. So it's going down forever, negative infinity. It's also going up forever, so that's positive infinity. So there's my graph, my domain, my range, and I'm done. So that's number 43 from the College Algebra Final Exam Review.